we should use all of them, right?
Yes.
Okay, for this one, we should use casework and we should start from A. So let's start, we should start from, how many different routes are there from A to B? To see all of them, okay. So, in the first step, we can select which edges.
In the first step, we could select E, D, or B. I'm
We
not
can
sure
go
if the
from
B.
A to what or what or what?
A to E, A to D, A to B.
Exactly. A to B, A to D, A to E. If we go from A to E, then what can we say?
Then you have one choice where to go.
Exactly, E to D, right?
Yes.
For this one, we go from A to B, then we should go from what to what?
We
can go to which vertices?
D or C.
Exact. So look, when you have D or C, copy these and then say, okay, C and D. You should write them simultaneously. Don't write this one and say, okay, in the end, I will consider this one because you will forget, okay?
Okay.
Like this, you should keep checking and you can find all of them. And as you can see, there are at most 18 cases. Maybe the answer is 7, 9. You should write it like this. Want to try the rest on your own?
Okay, I see. So if it's a smaller amount of cases, we could just somewhat brute force it.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay, I'll go to that.
But use casework like this. For example, second movement is this one or this one or this one, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, try.
Is the answer C12?
C12. Okay, let's check. Okay, so from here, I know when we go to C in the next moment, we should go to D, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's focus on this. After D agree we can't go to B. Then we get stuck in B, right? Because we don't have, we use all of them. So from D, we have to go to E or A, right? So we can go like this, counterclockwise, then B, or clockwise, and then go to B, right?
Yeah.
So how many ways are there for this one?
2.
Exactly. Good. Now let's check this. We go from this one to this. So D agree we shouldn't go to C, then we have to go to B, then we get a stocking, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so from D, again, clockwise, then C and this, or counterclockwise and C and D, right?
Yes.
How many ways are there?
2 more.
Yes, job. Now from D. From D here, we can go to E or B or C, right?
Yeah.
So we should write all of them again simultaneously. So from D, we can go to C, or we can go to B, or we can go to E, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If we go to C, we have to go to B. If we go to, let's say, yeah, in this one, then we have a cycle. Clockwise or counterclockwise, right?
So another times 2.
Exactly. Then if we go to E, we have to go to A, right?
Yeah, and then we have to go to B, and then
Again,
another cycle.
clockwise, counterclockwise. Good. 2. Then in this case, we go this one. Again, it is a cycle, clockwise, counterclockwise, right? How many ways are there here?
2.
2. So, only this case. From D, we can go to A or B or C, right?
Yeah.
So, we should copy this one, this, and this. So, from D, you can go to A or B or C, right? Here from C, you can go to B. Then we agree we have 2 ways here, clockwise, counterclockwise.
Yeah.
Again, this one, 2 ways, clockwise, counterclockwise. And then we go to A, you have to go B, again, clockwise, counterclockwise, right?
Interesting. Yeah, I think I might have left out some routes where we could have gone slightly different.
So what's the answer equal to?
Okay. The answer would be equal to, 2 times 8, 16.
Yes, 8, 6. Okay, understood completely?
Yeah. So all of these check mark. Okay, I see.
Exactly. Solve it by using case. What's your next question?